Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Country Cowgirls, and in today's video, I am putting you guys on my feet, as you guys can see. But today I'm going to be doing a slime room tour. Let's get started. So guys, sorry if you guys can hear the Wild House in the background, but that is one of my favorite shows. Here's my desk, and then down here I have my borax, my baby oil, my cornstarch, and my shaving cream. And then over here I have some borax water, and it's already made. Next drawer I have a bunch of slimes. This is where I store all my slimes. This is a store-bought slime. And yeah. Next part. So guys, this is my slime table. Over here in this basket, I have my dishes. And then over here I have my food coloring, my spoons. And let me show you guys them. So guys, they're just like little spoons, and then I keep them in a Hello Kitty thing, so yeah. Then we have bowls, and then we have a little garbage can and some containers. Now in this is where I store all of my glitter. Just a minute. So guys, this holds all my glitter, and yeah. So then over here I have my slime supply thing. This is where I write down everything I need. Right now, the only thing I need is glue and maybe some more baby oil. So then we have this desk, and this is just for my friends for when they come over. That's a big giant mess. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to say hi. Hi. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. I want to say bye.